Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is Sunday and it is the start of a brand new CVS sales ad. This should be a 2-week ad, just like normal. And the deals are like okay this week. We have a decent spend 25 get 8 on P&G household items, and I really like that spend 25 get 8 promotion specifically because sometimes we get like a spend 25 get 5 and usually I pass on that one, but spend 25 get 8 is a good spend to extra buck ratio, so I'm excited for that. There's a couple other good deals. I'm gonna do a rolling extra bucks video this week. I'm trying something new, and actually my boyfriend's coming with me to help me film in stores, so fingers crossed that everything goes well. I told myself I was gonna do it even though usually I don't speak to the camera in store at CVS. I never do for long form, but sometimes I do it for short form, and I'm trying to do a video theme where it's actually speaking to the camera every single week, kind of like my whole body and self in the video, talking step by step, including the intro. So hopefully I don't die of embarrassment with people overhearing me in the store talking to the camera. But since there's another person with me and I'm not just by myself, it's like gives me less anxiety. But still, like, my CVS is so quiet and there's like a couple older people shopping in the store at any given time, and then like 5 CVS employees, so they're definitely gonna think I'm a lunatic, but that's okay. At least I'll have someone with me, so maybe I can pretend like I'm speaking to my boyfriend when really I'm like talking about how to roll extra bucks and use coupons and like doing my intro about how you can get X amount of stuff for X dollars at CVS. But I think I'll get better at it as I go, and hopefully that video format is really helpful. It's supposed to be like more geared towards beginners and people who have no extra bucks to start with. And obviously if you have extra bucks to start with, you can just use extra bucks on the first transaction and then roll as you go. And if you don't have extra bucks, you can start with nothing and roll as you go. So like I said, I'm just really hoping that that video format is helpful in 2026, and I want to start trying it because I've seen a lot of other creators do it, and it's really inspiring to me because I feel like a lot of people resonate with that type of rolling extra buck content. I'm still getting into the swing of things in 2026. Yesterday, January 10th, was my birthday. I just turned 28, so was busy this past weekend. I am gonna be going live again in 2026. I don't intend to stop doing that, and my intention, I decided, is to just go live this Saturday before the start of a new 2-week sales ad. So not every single week, but every other week. And like I said, I just didn't go live yesterday because it was my birthday and I went out to a really nice dinner and I was spending time with my boyfriend. But I will be starting that again during the new 2-week ad that'll start 2 weeks from now, so look out for that. And I am intending on being really consistent with those lives in 2026 and not skipping out on any of them unless I'm like out of town or on vacation or something. But most Saturdays before a 2-week ad starts, I should be going live, so you guys can look forward to that. And I will schedule them in advance so you can see if I'm going live that day and join with me. And I also intend to like cross stream it too and stream it to TikTok and YouTube at the same time. I'm trying to figure out how to do that. So a lot of like new things that I'm trying this year with content. Hopefully you guys can stick with me through it. And if you're not already, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, if you have those, I'm at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled on all those platforms. And I do post slightly different stuff on each platform. So if you want to follow along wherever you like to consume saving money and couponing content, go ahead and follow me. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. The Gold Bond lotion is buy 2, get back a $10 extra buck this week, so I'm grabbing one of the hand cream at $7.69 and then one of the foot creams at $8.19 because my store doesn't have the cheaper ones in stock. And then I'm going to use a $2 digital coupon that's attaching to the foot cream, so I should be left to pay $13.88. I'll earn back the $10 extra buck, and then I can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each of these, getting $3 back, making my final cost just 88 cents for both. Another good deal this week is on Dove hair care. At my store, they're priced kind of high at $6.49. So I'm going to grab 2 of them because they're buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. And I'm going to use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So I should be left to pay $8.98. And after the $5 extra buck, it makes 2 of them $3.98. Shea Moisture Hair Care is spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the styling gels at $11.99, totaling $23.98, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you should be left to pay $18.98. Earning back the $10 extra buck makes 2 of them $8.98, or like $4.49 each. And if they're priced cheaper, it'd be an even better deal. L'Oreal Elvive is buy two, get back a $5 extra buck at $6.29 at my store. So you can grab two of them and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $9.58. And after the $5 extra buck, it makes two of them $4.58. OGX Hair Care is on sale for $6.99 this week, and we do have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So with that, you'd end up paying just $7.98 for two, or $3.99 each. And if you grab three of them and you have a 5 off 20 OGX CRT, you can pair that in for a really good deal as well. This week, our laundry deal is spend $25, get an $8 extra buck. So you can grab a Tide liquid for $12.99, the Gain Beats for $9.99, and a Febreze Small Space for $3.99, totaling $26.97. And we have a $3 digital for the Tide, a $2 for the Gain, and a $2.50 for the Febreze. So with those, you'd be left to pay $19.47, earning back your $8 extra buck. And that's going to make all three items just $11.47. And if you do have a $5 OTC payment from redeeming your receipts with P&G items on them to pgbrandsaver.com, you can use that in combination with the coupons for an even better deal. The small size Persil detergent are on sale for $5.49, and we do have a $2 digital coupon, so that'll make one of these just $3.49. And check if you have any Ibotta rebates. I know some accounts do. The Scott toilet paper and paper towels are $9.99 each on sale, and spend $20, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab two totaling $19.98 and use a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the toilet paper. You'd pay $17.98, and after the $5 extra buck back, it would make two of them just $12.98. The exact same deal applies for the paper towels. We have a 2 off 2 digital for these as well. Your store does have to participate in the 98% rule for this to work. The soft soap body wash are buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of them at $6.59, totaling $13.18. Use a 4 off 2 digital, you'd pay $9.18, and after the $4 extra buck back, it would make two of them $5.18. If your store carries the raw sugar bar soaps, mine does not. They're $3.49 and participating in the buy two, get back a $5 extra buck deal. So grab two of them, totaling $6.98. You'll earn back the $5 extra buck, making two of them $1.98, or just 99 cents each. The Dove Serum Body Wash are on sale for $9.99 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $19.98 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $14.98, earning back that $3 extra buck will make two of them just $11.98. The Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash are on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $14.23 and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'd be left to pay $10.23, and after the $2 extra buck, it would make two of the men's body wash $8.23. The 25 count Neutrogena makeup wipes are on promotion for buy two, get back a $5 extra buck at $6.99. So grab two totaling $13.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $9.98. And after the $5 extra buck back, it'll make two of them $4.98 for two, or $2.49 each. The Crest toothpaste are on sale for two for $10 and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. And we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So with that, you pay $6, get back the $5 extra buck, making two of them $1.50 each. And the same deal applies to some of the Oral-B toothbrushes and some of the Crest mouthwashes as well. So you can pick what you want to get for this deal. The Biotin mouthwash are buy one, get one 40% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of the smallest size bottles totaling $9.26 and use a $2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.26 and then earn back the $4 extra buck, making two of them $3.26. Icy Hot and Asper-Cream are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab the Icy Hot roll-on at $11.59 and then one of the Asper-Creams at $10.99, totaling $22.58. Use a $3 digital for the Asper-Cream, and we have a $3 digital for the Icy Hot as well. And you'd be left to pay $16.58, earning back the $6 extra buck would make both items $10.58. We still have a $2 Ibotta rebate for the CVS brand pill cases. So if your store carries this one, it is attaching. It's $2.99, so it'd make it just 99 cents. And then just make sure to scan the ones at your store, the cheaper ones priced around $1 to $2, because some of them are attaching to the $2 rebate. My store just doesn't carry all the varieties, so none of the cheaper ones at my store personally were attaching that were under $2, but your store may carry those varieties. The Post cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week, including the Honey Bunches of Oats and the Fruity Pebbles and the Cocoa Pebbles. We don't have any coupons or Ibotta rebates, but we will keep our eye out to see if any of them pop up, but it's a decent deal, and this is not always on sale. We do have an extra buck deal going on this week for gift cards. It's spend $50, get back a $15 extra buck, but it only works on IHOP, Adidas, and Candy Crush per the ad, and my store was not tagged. So check out what your store has tagged, but if you're interested in any of those gift cards, it is a good extra buck promotion. Heads up that CVS Christmas clearance is still ringing up at 75% off at my store. I will keep you guys updated when it hits 90. If it hits 90, my store moved all of it kind of to the back wall from the regular seasonal area, so you can check out that section to see if your store has anything left. Alright, you guys, so I did 4 transactions today, rolling extra bucks, and I filmed a short form video for it that'll be up soon. So first, for this transaction, I did the Gold Bond lotion deal, and my store didn't have any of the cheap ones in stock, so I just did the $7.69 one and the $8.19 one because those both attached to the Ibotta rebate, and the more expensive $8.19 one attached to the $2 digital coupon. So grabbing those two, and then 2 of the Crest toothpaste, I used the 4 off 2 for the Crest, the $2 for the Gold Bond. I only had $13 in extra bucks on this account, so I used those 13 and paid out $6.88, so it was $19.88 between cash and extra bucks out of pocket, and then I got back $15 in extra bucks, 10 for the Gold Bond and 5 for the Crest. So this transaction was a net cost of $4.88, and then I rolled those $15 in extra bucks into transaction 2. Oh, and then also I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back as well. So that made the net cost of this transaction just $1.88 because it was spent out $19.88, got back $15, and then got back $3 from Ibotta. So it was spent out $19.88 and got back $18. So it was $1.88 net cost. And then again, the $15 in extra bucks to roll into transaction 2. All right, so then I rolled that $15 extra bucks into the spend 25 get 8 transaction. I grabbed the Febreze, the Tide, and the Gain, and the 3 digital coupons came off. And then I used those $15 in extra bucks. I had a $4.47 subtotal. So in total, between extra bucks and cash, I spent out $19.47 and then got back the $8 in extra bucks. So that made this transaction a net cost of $11.47 for the 3 items. But really, I only paid $4.47 in cash with rolling extra bucks transaction, rolling them from transaction to transaction, and then I earned back the $8 in extra bucks to use into transaction 3. So in transaction 3, I did the Dove hair care deal, so I used the 4 off 2 Dove digital and then the $8 extra buck. I had a 98-cent subtotal, so I spent out 98 cents cash and then earned back the $5 extra buck to roll into my 4th transaction. For net cost, I spent out a total of $8.98 between extra bucks and cash, and then got back the $5 extra buck, so it was a net rolling cost of $3.98 for the 2 Dove hair care items. And then finally, for my 4th and final transaction, I used that $5 extra bucks to basically just spend it on a couple items that I wanted. So I grabbed the $1.99 Fruity Pebbles cereal, and then I grabbed the Persil detergent that was on sale for $5.49 with the $2 digital. So that was $5.48, used the $5 extra buck and just paid 48 cents out of pocket, a net cost of $5.48. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment. Make sure to follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm at kaylakoupons everywhere, the same way that my channel is spelled. If you guys can let me know what your favorite deal of the week is, or how you're doing in the new year, anything in the comment section down below. That engagement with liking and commenting and subscribing helps to push my videos out to more people so they can discover couponing at CVS. I would really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great week of couponing, and I will catch you next week.